I almost went back to my old habits today. It's so easy to stay busy, to keep planning, posting, working, just to feel like you're moving. But honestly, being busy and making progress are two different things. Hare Krishna everyone, I'm Arpita, still figuring out a lot about life, content, and everything between. And today is day 3 of choosing quality over quantity. Today, I caught myself rushing again, trying to do everything at once, and that's when I stopped. I stopped because I don't want to create more. I want to create better. I don't want to study for hours. I want to actually understand it. And that's why I slowed down. I focused on one thing today and gave it the effort it deserved. And honestly, one focused hour felt more valuable than a whole distracted day. Maybe a real flex isn't doing everything, it's doing what truly matters. Stay tuned for day 4.